Here at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2009 Suzuki DL650, also known as the V-Strom. This bike has 24,800 miles and is offered for $39.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a classic adventure bike that Suzuki's made for a while, super popular for doing some off-road riding, fire trail riding, adventure style. You can even take this thing all the way up to Alaska. This one is in excellent condition. Again, only 24,800 miles. Comes with a nice adjustable windscreen, also hand guards, a frame sliders, or actually engine guards, a frame kind of saver that goes underneath the motor and comes up on both sides that you can see right here. It also has some nice highway pegs on it, so if you want to stretch out while you're riding. Again, 24,800 miles here at Contra Costa Powersports for $39.99. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, or at any given time we'll have 25 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.